Welcome. This tutorial gives you introduction about Microsoft Visio. To open Microsoft Visio, first go to the Start menu, type Visio, press Enter. This opens Microsoft Visio. You can browse various categories from the template categories that are available. Select the category of diagram you want to make. To create a diagram, just select and drag shapes into your page. To save the file, go to the File menu and click Save. To open a new file, go to the File menu, select New, select the type of diagram that you want to make. This opens a new file. To open an existing file, go to the File menu, click Open, type the name of file and click Open. To go back to the Getting Started window, go to the File menu, click New and select Getting Started. This opens the Getting Started window of Microsoft Visio. Thank you.